Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order at Wingstop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Wingstop, and then once it loads, tap on the app and then tap on the get button or install button according to your device. Now once it has been downloaded, all you gotta do is go ahead and open up the app, select the thing that you want to order, and then simply pay it. You can also use the website of the Wingstop, that is wingstop.com. Then select your location, customize your order, and then proceed to checkout. You can also order in store by visiting your local Wingstop, browse the menu, and then place your order. Once you do that, pay for your order and then wait for your food. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.